This video focuses on replacing the lumbar on a Think V2 chair. First, tip the chair onto its right side on a soft furniture pad. Press the seat slide handle under the front of the seat and pull the seat forward to its deepest setting. Locate the seat out stop feature, which is a black tab on the right side of the seat slide rail. Insert a screwdriver below the stop out feature and push it up towards the seat. Simultaneously press the seat slide handle and pull the seat forward off the rails. Next, remove the two lower back screws by inserting the T20 Torx drill bit. Disengage the center of the back cushion from the lower back frame. For an adjustable lumbar, use a screwdriver to gently pry out the lumbar handles on both sides of the back. For a fixed lumbar, use a screwdriver from the inside of the back frame to gently push the fixed lumbar clip out of its slot. Repeat at the opposite inner side of the back frame. With your hands, push the bottom of the back cushion forward on both sides, away from the back frame and pinch point cover. Gently push the lumbar pad forward from the rear and it will drop down and out of the back frame. Then set the lumbar pad on a work surface with the Steelcase logo pointing up. Remove the sliders from the ends of the old lumbar pad. Carefully take the new lumbar pad assembly with sliders and position it between the pinch point covers and the back frame. Snap in the new lumbar handles through the slots on the back of the frame and into the lumbar pad receivers. Reinstall the screws into each lower corner of the back. Finally, assemble the seat onto the chair by aligning the slots in the seat with the slide bearings. Once positioned, press the seat slide handle and pull the seat forward to verify the seat is properly assembled in the chair. You are now ready to use your Think V2 chair.